Hello, everybody. Good morning. Sunday, November 24th, 2019. Today, we're going to be cooking eggs in a blanket. Egg in a basket, maybe? Is it a basket, not a blanket? So, you could do it on any different level you want, as far as grill, skillet, flat, frying pan, with anything that could cook an egg. You could make this. So what we're going to do, I find that this is perfect. We're just going to put this on high. We're going to get this all hot and chooched. I made myself some espresso earlier in the morning. That's sitting there. Chin chin, everybody. Just a splash of half and half at the bottom. So while this is heating up, you take 4 pieces of bread, any bread that you want, and you hollow out the middle any way you want. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just hit it with a spoon, you hit it with a knife, anything that just breaks it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, this is my way. Put this on the side because it's food, you shouldn't waste it. If you want to like indent it with the spoon, this way you have some kind of perforated edge. See how I'm doing that? Doesn't have to be perfect. See? Perfect, but it doesn't have to be. I make 4 at a time because 4 is what sits up here. I cook with butter with this because it's the most like home style way. Anything else doesn't really make it taste good. Because in order to taste everything and all have that home style, everything has to be tripled. That's bad for you. Twice the butter, twice the this, twice the that. So now you got your 4 pieces ready. Okay, so now you take out any butter you want. I'm just using this sweet unsalted butter from whatever place. It doesn't have to be crazy. You just get it going. Again, I'm using a spoon to save on silverware as far as taking out knives, forks. See how this is chooching nicely? So that's nice. So what we should do is convert to something plasticky to get everything rolled. Again, this is on high. We're going to change it to medium. We just want to get it all nice and nice. Get it out of the valley. Get it all nice. We're going to put some more down. So now we'll go down to like 7 on my stove. Nice. See this? This is real nice. Get it out of the valleys. Okay, move it out of the way. I put a little bit more for cooking purposes. 7 is fine because we're cooking eggs over easy. Do one more in the middle. This is very rich, very, very unhealthy. So, perfect time. Okay, this is gonna go quick. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Make them all nice like that. Okay, that's cooking. And now, any way you want to crack this, start with the back. Put it right in there. I put it right back in when I'm cooking. Nothing fancy. We're going to chooch this up to 8, 8.5. Nice. Again, doesn't have to be fancy. Butter's cooking. Oh, that's it. That cracked right in me. That went down, man down. Okay. So now we'll dispose of this. Okay, get it out of the stuff that's still fresh. Now this is basically cooking. Get to like 7. This is basically cooking the butter, and this is cooking the eggs over easy. Just like you would without the bread. So it's basically preference, however you like to cook it. You like it runny, you like it well done, you like it this, you like it that. Personally, I like it where when you eat it, just the yolk before it gets solid, just the yolk gets still, you know, still runny, sorry. So I'm a little bit crazy. I like a big griddle like in a diner. And I like it when they're chopping stuff. They got the hash browns in the corner, they got the peppers, they got the onions. So what I do is I like to check it to see how brown it is. See, this is still going. This is still going. The back's good. The back is everything is nice. Again, maybe a little chooch, okay. This thing we found at IKEA, and I think it's just. We'll go a little bit 8. Okay, kind of loosen them up. See, loosen them up. You got the butter cooking them on one side. You can add more butter on the sides if you want, but I've noticed that there's way too much to begin with. So that's about it. I think we're good. Okay. So you kind of get in there. Be careful with the metal on metal. It's definitely not a good surface. So there we go. Flipped it. See, it's almost like a grilled cheese without the cheese. That's a nice looking one, huh? Doesn't matter which side goes where. Griddle's nice and hot. It's going to cook everything evenly. So that's it for that. A little sippy sippy. Okay, everybody. What we have in here is a 40 pieces of white bread. Choochie. This video has been sponsored by Wonder. Wonder what's in your bread. Brought to you by Casio. So we're gonna get some small plates off camera, but I'm in the camera. Put them right there. Done with the spoon. Get a little bit more chooch on the espresso. Jada jada. Keep the cap on because it stays hot. These pieces of bread you could eat. So, what is this? Eggs in a blanket? In a basket. Eggs in a basket. You could test the egg by doing that. We're pretty good. Yep, see, that's perfect. So that's going to come off. Just hit that crust off. That's garbage. Throw that in the woods. And this is how, and we can shut the heat off. Pow! Perfect, see? Just enough chooch. It might be a little runny. But see, nothing crazy. basically an over easy egg inside of white bread, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed. This is just the extra. This video. Any comments, concerns, and questions, please hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next Breakfast Boutique Banquet. Ciao for now.